install a Delta EC2 Echo board into a Cobra 25 Classic. First, this is the Echo board. Red wire 12 volt positive, black wire 12 volt negative. These two wires, one is a microphone in, this is the Echo board output. Input, output, and black wire ground to the chassis. This one is the echo level control, echo time, the knob, hex nut. Here is the Cobra 25. The RF gain control, take it out. This space gonna install this control here. Open it up. Find the yellow color wire from the 4-pin mic. Pin number 2 is a mic audio. You cut it. Just make sure you still have like a 1 inch from the microphone jack side. The other side connect to the circuit board. See? You cut them. Now, after you take off the RF gain control in this space, you turn this RF gain control all the way to maximum, clockwise to the maximum, okay? Now, you solder this red wire to this on-off control red wire spot for the 12 volt. And then this black wire and the mic in and output ground all solder to this point. Good chassis ground. The mic input wire, this one, you solder to this yellow wire from the microphone jack, 4-pin microphone jack. The output, you solder to this yellow wire to the circuit board, In the same time, you can find this one, the VR5. See, VR5. You turn this modulation control all the way up. That means you're gonna have a audio peak. You're gonna have a very loud audio, not too much of the distortion. We don't cut anything, just loud modulation. All right. Here is the finished one. Just make it quick. I have two Cobra 25 in my bench. See, solder this one is the mic in, this output. This is the ground for both the black wire and the negative chassis ground. So you have to organize all the wire, tap over the RF gain control, and this one, the echo control, time control. Just make sure don't short to any place. You tap over or insulated this circuit board. See, when you turn on, the light lights up, the LED lights there. You can organize them and put in the double vocal tab or anything, tap them over nice. See, now it's finished. This one is the control, the knob. You just put it back, very simple. So in the same idea, you can do it in the Cobra 25 also, but you are not gonna use the RF, gain control knob space for the echo control. You use the Delta tune. You just tune the Delta in the center and tap them in the back, and use the Delta switch become a echo control. So now I'm gonna try to use it right here. Audio. You can see the watt meter. Audio. Swing forward. And this is the icon. It's the receiving. Audio. Delta EC2. Very simple. Just two solder for the input, output, and ground, and the positive. So easy. Sounds really good. Audio. Thank you.